I think for me, the most formative aspect was definitely doing my thesis. I had actually picked out this topic already since my undergrad, but it was only when I came here that I could really research and focus on the topic. And having a supervisor as well really helped me strengthen the ways that I write and do my academic writing. And this is definitely something that I can take with me for the rest of my career. So it was very, very insightful.
For me, my most formative aspect was definitely the teaching faculty and their expertise, because most of our professors are also practitioners. And it would happen that for one of the readings, we had a case that we had to read, and the professor would be involved in some other way with the case. So it was very interesting to hear their insight and not only learn about the law in a theoretical way, but also a practical way and have real life examples.
If I could go back in time, I would definitely start my thesis earlier because the winter break is very long. So you tend to think that, oh, I have 2 months to just take off. But you can't actually even imagine how tough the second semester is going to be. So if I could have done one thing differently, it would have been to start the thesis earlier so I could be less stressed now.
So if there's one thing that I would do differently, and also consider this as an advice for incoming students, is to realize that even though this LL.M program is very intense, there is also a life outside of the LL.M. So don't hesitate to go out, explore Geneva, have some drinks, go out to dinner. And also at the Institute itself, there are many events, there are many panel talks, which is also a great way to network with people and professors. But don't hesitate to go to these events because there is a life outside of the LL.M.